morning, dear parents. I understand it's a Sunday morning. But the hard work and effort that is put in by the kids, the entire set of efforts put in by the teachers, and for this day to happen, we have taken nothing less than 2 months of practice. Do you all agree with me? Have you seen your kids dancing or murmuring the same song while taking shower, while eating, while at home? And I'm sure the mothers also would have by-hearted the steps by now. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿನ ಕರೆಸಿದ್ರೆ ಅವರೇ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇವಾಗ. Am I right? Yes. So I think one Sunday morning where our sleep is a little less, eyes are drowsy, somewhere your mind is also full. Saturday night would have been a very heavy night for most of us. But still, for the sake of the children, for the sake of their hard work, for the sake of their entire efforts that are put in, can we also cheer them today? Yes? So please give me a bright and a very energetic reply. Good morning, dear ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. I, Purnima, will be hosting your show today. Greetings to one and all present here, dear ladies and gentlemen. We are extremely privileged to have this opportunity to address all of you at this important moment of celebrating our 3rd annual day at Eurokids Guntur. Can we give a huge round of applause, dear parents, in order to start the event? It has been a fantastic year for us, especially for our bright young talented children. I take this opportunity to welcome you all, my dear parents, guardians and children who are here to witness as well as perform today to the 3rd annual day celebration of Eurokids Guntur. Special arrangements have been made to make this day a very memorable one with a lot of fun and happiness. Today's children are the future of our state as well as our country. Brilliant faces that I am witnessing today exhibiting their talents will grow up and definitely will be the citizens of our beloved nation tomorrow. We wish them all the very good as well as to be good human beings, also to make this world a better place to live. I would like to take the opportunity to welcome all of you, dear parents. You all are not just stakeholders but also essential pillars in shaping a thriving educational ecosystem which happens to be Eurokids Guntur. With immense pleasure, on behalf of the school and the entire management, I heartily welcome all of you, dear parents and grandparents, for today's occasion. On behalf of our kids, we also take the opportunity to cordially and respectfully welcome our chief guest. Let's give a huge round of applause for Srimati Geeta as well as Sri Chandra Reddy sir. And I also would like to take a moment to acknowledge and welcome Srimati Nagaratna and Sri Chodappa sir, who happens to be the chairman of our institution. We welcome you, sir. We welcome you, ma'am. Would also like to take the opportunity to welcome our guest for the day, Mrs. Anjana. Thank you, ma'am, for making your presence available today. Your presence means a lot to us. Let's also give our hands together, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome Mrs. Krupa Sumant, Director Bachpan Balagere. Thank you, ma'am. Your presence means a lot to us today. I would also like to take the opportunity to welcome everybody who is present here today. Can I request Prashant sir to kindly do the honors? Can we please put a round of applause as well and welcome Sri Geeta and Chandra Reddy sir. Prashant sir, can you please welcome the guests? Let's welcome our chief guests for the day firstly, Geeta ma'am and Chandra Reddy sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am, for doing the honors. I humbly request sir and ma'am to remain. Let's also put our hands together and welcome our chairmen, Srimati Nagaratna ma'am and Chodappa sir, please. Let's give them a huge round of applause, dear ladies and gentlemen. Can I also request Mrs. Veena and Mr. Prabhu Reddy to please come forward. Veena ma'am and Prabhu sir. Let's also give a huge round of applause for Mrs. Anjana. Ma'am, can I please request you to come forward? Let's also give a huge round of applause for Mrs. Kripa Suman. Ma'am, can we please request you to come forward? Thank you, sir, for doing the honors. Thank you, ma'am, for doing the honors. Just as a light lamp enlightens the surroundings, may the wisdom and awareness shine upon us, dear ladies and gentlemen. We're all set to move ahead to the next segment, which happens to be the lighting of the lamp ceremony. To do the honors, I please request Chandra Reddy sir, Nagaratna ma'am, Chaudhapa sir, Prashant sir and Supriya ma'am, with Anjana ma'am to kindly come upon to the dais for the lighting of the lamp ceremony. I also request Rupa ma'am to please join. Can I request Geeta ma'am to please join on the dais for the lighting of the lamp ceremony?
ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ ಕರುನಾಡ ದೀಪ ಸಿರಿನುಡಿಯ ದೀಪ ಒಲವೆತ್ತಿ ತೋರುವ ದೀಪ ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ ಬಹುದಿನಗಳಿಂದ ಮೈಮರೆಯಿಂದ ಕೂಡಿರುವ ಕೊಳೆಯ ಕೊಚ್ಚೇವು ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಕಂಪು ಸೂಸಲು ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ಣ ಚಾಚೇವು ಬಹುದಿನಗಳಿಂದ
Can I request Swati ma'am to join? Swati ma'am?
ಕೂಡಿರುವ ಕೊಳೆಯ ಕೊಚ್ಚೇವು
Yes, please.
ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಕಂಪು ಸೂಸಲು ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ಣ ಚಾಚೇವು ನಡುನಾಡಿ ಇರಲಿ ಗಡಿನಾಡಿ ಇರಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಕಳೆಯ ಕೆಚ್ಚೇವು ನಡುನಾಡಿ ಇರಲಿ ಗಡಿನಾಡಿ ಇರಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಕಳೆಯ ಕೆಚ್ಚೇವು ಮರೆತೇವು ಮರೆವ ತೆರೆದೇವು ಮನವ ಎಳೆದೇವು ಒಲವ ಹಿಡಿ ನೆನಪ ನರ ನರವನೆಲ್ಲ ಹುರಿಗೊಳಿಸಿ ಹೊಸೆದು ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ
Thank you, dear dignitaries. You may now be seated.
ಕಲ್ಪನೆಯ ಕಣ್ಣು ಹರಿವನ ಕಸಾಲು ದೀಪಗಳ
Parents, I would like to take an opportunity to explain to you and talk to you about European Gunjur. We are happy to welcome you here. This happens to be a place that is committed to fostering a love of learning and providing a nurturing environment to the next generation of leaders, thinkers and innovators. Prashant sir and Supriya ma'am began the school with a simple yet a powerful vision to create a school that goes beyond imparting knowledge, a school that becomes a second home and a community where every child feels valued, inspired and empowered. Thank you, dear parents, for entrusting us with the educational opportunity and well-being of your child. We look forward to building a community where each child's unique strengths are celebrated and they are equipped with the skills and values needed to thrive in an ever-changing world. The theme of this year's annual day celebration happens to be Little Hands, Big Change. Celebrating Annual Day provides the school with an opportunity to showcase its achievements. Today, we are at a very special day where our little stars are ready to shine on the stage with their confidence, talent, and joyful smiles. Each performance you see today will be a result of love, learning, practice, and the wonderful support of our teachers and our parents, dear ladies and gentlemen. As educators, we have the incredible privilege and responsibility of shaping young minds, and we also have the opportunity to instill values, ignite curiosity, and inspire love for learning. Every day at school, we witness the boundless enthusiasm, innocence, and creativity of our little ones, what they possess. We see the spark in the eyes when they discover something new and accomplish a task. Let's now, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together and get set for the performances that we have been waiting to showcase to you. Are we all ready? More Josh. Are we all ready? Great. Please put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome Aryan, Trishika Singh, Ditya, Grisha, and Ian to kindly come forward to sing a prayer song for us. Yes, children, you can start.
Om Tomam Jato Kamaya Brityomam Amrutam Kamaya Om Shanti Ti Shanti Om Asatoma Satkamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityurma Amrutam Gamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Thank you.
Thank you, dear children, for invoking God's blessings amongst us. Teachers can take the children backstage. We're all set to prep up for the first track, dear ladies and gentlemen, which happens to be a song that's going to be performed on Lord Hanuman. With the blessings of this God, may the symbol of power and wisdom reach our young minds' performances, and they're all ready to set the stage with a lot of energy and devotion. I request the teachers to please escort the students on the dais. Please put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome Ishana, Mikaya, Bhumi, Arohi, Ishita, Linisha, Nitvik, Tarakanand, Neil, Avyan, Supradeep, Siddharth, Ivan, Rakshit, Tejas, Daksha, and Vedant Singh on the dais. The auditorium, we have been conditioned by the management of GIIS that food is not allowed inside the auditorium. You all can surely be seated inside, and in case you're hungry and you want to eat, please take a few minutes break and eat outside the auditorium. Secondly, it's a humble request to all the parents to not come forward to click any kind of photographs and videographs, as you will be obstructing the view. We have the best team of photographers with us who will be giving you the pictures and videos. So I see a few parents who are seated here. It's a humble request. Please get back to your seats. Kindly get back to your seats. Otherwise, this practice will bring in all the parents in the front. We will not be able to maintain the decorum of the school. It's a humble request, dear parents. Please get back.
ಗುರಿಯನೆಂದು ತಪ್ಪಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಬಾಣ ಹನುಮಂತ ಸೀತಮ್ಮ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣನೇ ಪ್ರಾಣ ಏನಾದರೂ ತಪ್ಪಲಿಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಮಾತು ಎಂಜಲನ್ನೇ ತಿಂದವನು ಭಕ್ತಿಗೆ ಸೊತು ದಶ ದಿಶೆಯಲ್ಲೋ ಇವ ಮಹಾರಾಜ ಯುಗ ಪುರುಷನೇ ಈ ಗುಣತೇಜ ಜಯ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ ಎಂದು ಬರೆದಾಗ ಪ್ರತಿ ಜನುಮಾನು ಶುಭ ಶುಭ ಯೋಗ ನಂಬಿ ಬಂದವರ ಆಧಾರ ರಾಮ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪಾಪಗಳ ಪರಿಹಾರ ಬಾರೋ ಹಾಕೋ ಜೈಕಾರ
Let's give them a huge, huge, huge round of applause, dear parents. Can we once again applaud for them? Yes, Evelyn, you can start.
Future Eurokids Gunjan Annual Day Celebration. My name is Evelyn Singh. I am very happy to stand here today. Today is a very special day for us. We will sing, dance and show our talent. We thanks to our teachers for teaching us and parents for loving us. Thank you all for coming and encouraging us. We hope you enjoy our program. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.
Thank you, Evelyn. Breathlessly, she welcomed all of us. Thank you so much. Requesting the teachers to take back Evelyn. Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome the PG kids on the dais. We shall have Nirlaya, Shrestha P. Reddy, Kaisha, Vanya, Sharvin, Niralya, Vikrant, Vedant Roy, Srinay, Advait, Advik, Contagious. One mother start ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಡೀ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಳುತ್ತೆ. It's a huge task for us. So dear parents, do your videography in secret. Dear mama, please don't reply. We're in big trouble. Teachers, can we quickly have the kids positioned? They will settle down when the music starts. Can we request the performing teachers to come forward? Performing teachers.
हमको है जगना और है समझना अपनी आंखें खोले और कुछ करे अभी 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 आओ बनाए एक बेहतर कल आओ शुरू करे अभी हमारे ग्रह पर आई समस्या आओ सुलझाए इससे मिलकर हम अभी 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 आओ बनाए एक बेहतर कल आओ शुरू करे अभी आओ पेड़ उगाए कचरा हटा up. We need to open our eyes and do it now, now, now. We need to build a better future, and we need to start right now. We're on a planet that has a problem. We gotta solve it, get involved and do it now, now, now. We need to build a better future, and we need to start right now. And we need to start right now. And we need to start right now.
Let's give them a huge round of applause, dear parents. This is how the kids will scare us in the class as well. Look at that one boy there. They are the youngest of all, which happens to be the playgroup kids. What do you think is their age? Around 2.5, 3 years old. When you think back what we did at 2.5 years, can anybody really imagine or recollect? ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ 2.5 ವರ್ಷ ಇದ್ದಾಗ? Hardly anything. At least these kids have worked hard so much. ಪಾಪ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಎದ್ದು ಎರಡು ತಿಂಗಳಿಂದ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಎದ್ದು ಈ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಯೂಮ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು, and to sit for the makeup is so difficult. And after that entire makeup, this property they have to handle. And after coming here, ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ಟೀಚರ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. After they come to the stage, they will see so much lights, so many people in front of them. ಅಷ್ಟು ನರ್ವಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು is a huge thing, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give them a huge round of applause for the efforts that they have put in. Can we hold that child behind, please? Yes. Is the picture done? Thank you. Teachers, you can take them backstage. Audiences, are you enjoying? Yes? I see a few parents standing like they have been punished. Is it for the picture? We have a few seats vacant in the front in case you want to come and occupy. But it's a humble request to all of you to settle down, have a comfortable seating, enjoy the show. Up next, we have the Nursery A kids, dear ladies and gentlemen. Please put your hands together and welcome the participants on dais. We have Vihan M, Avyan Jaiswal, Sai Nishchal, Sankalp, Sai Ayansh, Rahi, Ditya, Vaishnavi, Krishi, Hiya, Rakshita, Aradhana, Arya, Nitiksha and Akriti. Yes, so now the seats in the front are over. So I don't invite any more parents coming forward. Dear parents, please settle down. Yes, one step forward works for us. Kindly settle down. Okay, so when the next song starts, I'm sure you will not stop whistling. That's why I was doing this whistle check. Let's have the music.
అద్దాల మేడలున్నాయే, మేడల్లా మంచి సీరలున్నాయే, సీరంచు రైకలున్నాయే, కొనిపిస్తా నాతో బొంబై రాయే.
రాను నే రాను రాను బొంబాయికి రాను రాను బొంబాయికి రాను రాను బొంబాయికి రాను రాను బొంబాయికి రాను
రాయ రాయ పిల్ల రంగుల రన్నం ఎక్కించి జాతరంతా చూపిస్తా.
రాను రాను పొలగా రంగుల రాట్నం ఎక్కించి నన్నాగం జతబడతా. అందుకే రాను నే రాను హా రాను గాజాతర రాను రాను నే నాగంగాను రాను గాజాతర నేను రాను నే నాగంగాను.
Boys and girls, put your shoes on. Raise the volume. Let's dance on some mass stuff. Hey! ఆ గాజువాక కండక్టర్ సాంగ్ వేసుకోండ్రా.
సింపిరి సుట్టుదాన్ని సెవలి రకన సుట్టదాన్ని సేతి లగ్గి పెట్టేదాన్ని ఉంగరాల మెట్టేదాన్ని నేనటంటి డండాడదాన్ని కాదు బావో పలసరు బైకు మీద రార బావా నేనటంటి డండాడదాన్ని కాదు బావో పలసరు బైకు మీద రార బావా కాలేజీ టైములోన కన్ను కొట్టి పిలిచినావు నేను రాను పో అంటే కళ్ళు ఎర్ర చేసినావు రో నేనటంటి డండాడదాన్ని కాదు బావో పిల్లవగానే నేను రాను బావా నేనటంటి డండాడదాన్ని కాదు బావో పిల్లవగానే నేను రాను బావా
Check. Let's give them a huge round of applause, dear parents. It was phenomenal to watch them on the dais. Thank you so much, dear teachers, requesting them to move towards the backstage. Okay, let's quickly have a group photograph and then move again. Come forward. Come front. Come front. Thank you, teachers. Thank you, dear children. You may now move towards the backstage. Please put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome Kashish, Navya, Ganishka, Srijana, Vedanvita, Molya, Viansh, Vishakan, Vedansi, Suvik, Yatvik, Ahan, Rudved, Kashiv, and Avyukt Pai. Yes, dear parents, please settle down. Do not wave hands. Nivedita. Whoever is Nivedita, sit down. Hide.
ಊರುಬಿಳ ಊರು ತುಂಬ ನಿನ್ನ ಪರಿಮಳ ತಾಳಲಾರೆ ನಾನು ತಾಳಲಾರೆ
Let's give them a huge round of applause, dear parents. Very, very, very fantastically performed. Can we quickly stand for a group photograph? Dear parents, when we are also doing the photographs simultaneously, let's also get ready for something fun. Can I request a few parents, please come into the dais, and I would precisely request the playgroup and the nursery parents to come up now. Can we have a few playgroup and the nursery parents to please come up the dais? ಒಬ್ಬರು ಬಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ? That I know. This parent has very good memory. He understands. Last time I cheated him. I told him dance madsala, dance madsbittidvi. Okay, this time I will not lie. Please come up. It's going to be a fun game. Please share your WhatsApp number. I will message you right now so that the others don't get to know. Okay, can we please have a few parents come up? Come on, be a sport. Where are those sportive fathers and mothers? The ones who are coming towards the stage, please raise your hand so that I know some positive energy is coming towards us. Wow, only 2 ladies after so much hard work. Can we also have the gentlemen join? Slowly one woke up. 4, 5, 6, 7, and all our mothers. Dear fathers, are you really nervous? Yes. Okay, let's not mind having a ladies' game. Great. I think we are good. Please come, please come. Okay, I think we are good now. Please join, please join. Now, dear ladies, as we are prepping up for the game, can I have a helping staff? Swati ma'am. Swati ma'am, one staff. One more staff member, please. Send a teacher or a helping staff. Great. Okay, the stage looks full. Great. By the time we are prepping up for the game, we request you to please introduce yourself. Tell the name of your child and also tell us one quality which you have seen immensely improve in your child. Just one quality because you all are too many in number and we want to cut it short. Okay? Ma'am decided to walk back. No problem, ma'am. You can simply stand. She's not a parent here. Great. Can we please have the mic?
I'm Sai Ayansh, parent from nursery A.
Tell me one quality about your child which is improved a lot.
Yeah, I observed that his communication is more nowadays after joining in the Eurokids and interaction with friends also.
Great, great. Thank you.
Hi, I'm mother of Krushi. Her communication skills have improved. Her eating habits have been improved. She's been very humble nowadays. She listens everything. She's a good listener now. So thanks to you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Vanya. I'm Ritya's sister. Her dancing skills and her communication skills have improved a lot after joining Eurocid.
Great. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am mother of Niralya, PG. So one quality which I have seen on her is that she had stranger fear. She doesn't know how to approach to people when she meets new one. So now she is able to say hi, speak to people, understand what they say. All those communications has improved.
Great. Thank you.
Hello, I am Rudved's mother. He has improved a lot in communication skills and also dancing. And initially he was not mingled with other kids, but now it has improved a lot.
Great. Thank you.
Hi, good morning all. This is Gaman's mom, Harisha. My kid has improved socializing a lot. Now he is free to talk with strangers as well. So that is the quality I have seen. He has improved.
Nice, nice.
Hi, I'm a proud mother of Nitiksha. And I have seen she has become more patient. While she'll have to sit for any activity, she's able to sit now, which usually she didn't. So yeah, thank you Eurokids for that.
Thank you ma'am.
Hello, hi everyone. My name is Ravani. I am Kasif's mother. Initial my son was not willing to go school. Now he is willing to, and initial stages I need to bribe him with a toy or chocolate. Now I have stopped all these things. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, good morning everyone. My name is Megha. I am a mother of Tanishk. He is studying in PG. Now his communication skill is improved and he's becoming a little bit silent now.
Thank you, thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm very happy. She's very happy with this, Eurokids, and thank you so much Eurokids in the team.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello everyone, myself Shweta Jaiswal. I'm a mother of Avyan Jaiswal, Nursery A. After actually he joined Eurokids, I'll definitely say his communication skill and his interest towards doing multiple activities as well as including mainly the paintings has increased a lot. Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Welcome.
Hello everyone, I'm Yasha, proud mother of Arna Bhagwaj from nursery. So what I am experiencing with her nowadays is like she is expressing more, and whatever feeling she's having, maybe she wants to cry or she wants to smile, she is very openly expressing everything. So I'm very happy with all of this, and yeah, thanks to all the teachers, and she is very happy with all the teachers, especially the class teachers, and she's enjoying a lot. Thank you everyone.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Hello everyone, I'm Namrita, proud mother of Prithvi Singh, Nursery A, and I would say she has been expressing, communicating, and she is loving her class teacher, which is Rajni ma'am, and she loves her. She complains if she's not teaching her. She will do everything, she's communicating, so I am just very happy that she's growing and she's learning new things in the class and everything is going good. Thanks to everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hi everyone, this is Nitisha. I am Dhairya's mother. And after joining Eurokids, he has starting communicating much. I wouldn't mind saying it over communicating, but he's doing that. And he has already started, he has got a sense of sharing as well with his friends. So he's very happy joining here and coming to school.
Thank you, thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Lavanya, mother of Ithvik. His communication skill has improved a lot and he is very excited to come to school every day. Even in Saturdays he asks whether he has school or not.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hi everyone, this is Usha, mother of Mayank Veer, Nursery B. Actually, before joining Eurokids, I was actually searching for a speaking class around because he was very backward in speaking. So after joining Eurokids, he started his communication skills, his speaking level has improved tremendously. I'm very happy with it.
Great.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you for your valuable feedback, dear mothers and the siblings who are here. Let's quickly form a big circle. Big circle. Let's form a circle. You put it front, you put it back, either sides, you drop the newspaper. Wherever the newspaper falls, you ensure that you step into the newspaper. That parent or that individual who's not able to step into the newspaper when the music stops will be eliminated. Okay? Yeah? Iವಾಗ ಹೋಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚಪ್ಪಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಿಚ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ. All footwears in case. Yes, you'll have to step on the newspaper. Let's do a trial, you will understand, and then I'll tell you the trick. Can we have a big circle? Your own newspaper or your neighbor's newspaper? How does it matter? Step on the paper, that's it. Great. Let's have a music, let's do a trial.
What's going on?
Go on in circles, dance. Dance, go on.
Ding, ding.
Big circle, big circle.
Crazy. Ding, ding. Bam, bam.
Good, no? Great. Now, ma'am, can you use the Now go in circles. Every round I'll be reducing the newspapers. Please ensure that you step into somebody else's paper at least, but you'll have to be on the papers. Now, ladies, please do not do this and step immediately. Throw it. Throw it. I want you all to run around the stage. Music, please.
Bam, bam.
it far away. Okay, let's do this. I will tell you to throw first. You'll still be dancing. When the music stops, you'll have to step into the paper. Thank you, Supriya ma'am. Great. You'll have to just throw it far and still keep dancing. Only when the music stops, you'll have to step. Be careful now. Let's go. Bhago, bhago, bhago.
I hold stories in every stage.
Bye, ma'am. See you next year.
It's a memory.
Yes. Ma'am.
I am.
Ma'am, paper de do. Thank you. ये भी दे दो. ये भी दे दो. Let's go. Big circle, big circle. Music.
Break it.
Throw the paper. Throw the paper. Go, 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 go. No fighting, no fighting. No, 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 no. That's why I stood here. It was a torn paper. So the ones who have not stepped into the papers are eliminated. Thank you. See you all next year. Yes, let's eliminate a few more papers, ma'am. Great. One more. One more. Great. Big circle. Ladies, we are too much in the corner. Let's go center stage. Music, please. Big circle, big circle. Come on, volume, please. Great. Throw the paper, throw. Far. Thank you. Great. Yes, let's make a big circle and please hand over the papers to me. Oh, this is in a very bad shape. I will take this first. 2, 3. How many will left? No, ma'am, that you can hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. Big circle. Big circle. Let's have the music. But why did you stop? The rule is wrong. You're not supposed to stop. They're supposed to throw and then we're supposed to stop. Let's play again. Go on, ladies, go on. Music, please. Throw. Great. Big circle. Big. Oh. Now the ones who stepped second, step back. The ones who stepped first will remain. Who stepped first in the paper will remain. The others will step back. Great, thank you. We are 4 now. Let's have 2 left. Which paper is in a very bad shape? Please give that to me. Okay, okay. So 2, ma'am, please remain. Let's have last 2 finalists. Music, please. Throw far. Big circle, big circle. Big circle. No cheating. Whoever stepped first will remain. You all decide and then come to a conclusion. Till the time they do their discussion, I request Prashant sir and Supriya ma'am to kindly come up to do the honors, to give a small token of appreciation. अब ये चलेगा. Great. Should we do a regame? Should we do a regame? Okay, so ma'am, you come aside. You are winner. Don't worry. Let's do this on one paper. Let's go. Music. Just 2 of you. Drop. Again, you all will fight. Okay, who stepped first? Audience, the person in the red or the person in the white? Yako nivu nanne taglaksdang kantira. I will be beaten up backstage. Great, thank you for giving up. Great, let's have sirs and ma'am to do the honor. Winners, kindly stay back. Hearty congratulations to the winners. Can I please request Supriya ma'am also to join? Ma'am, please come up. On the stage and off the stage, whoever came forward to participate for being such a good sport, congratulations to you. Thank you, sir and ma'am, for doing the honors. Dear playgroup parents, one announcement for you. Only playgroup parents are requested to go towards the backstage. Outside the green room, we will disperse your child. We request you to please bring back the child to the auditorium. Only playgroup parent, one parent is requested to please go near the green room at the backstage. Thank you.